Hello student, myself IT Valvi sir. Today we learn subject Organization of Commerce and Management Standard 12 chapter 2nd Functions of Management. We see the third functions of management, staffing. We see the meaning of staffing. Staffing is the functions of executions according to plan and organizational structure. It is the process of attracting, recruiting, selecting, placing, appraising, remunerating, developing, and retaining the best workforce. Overall growth and success of every venture is based on appropriateness of staffing function. It is very challenging for organization to focus on best utilizations of workforce by using their talent and skills, retaining them and arranging training and development programs. The functions emphasizes managing human and not material or financial resources. The need of staffing arises since the initial period of organization due to promotion, transfer, business expansion, retirement, resignations, accident, death of employees, etc. Vacancies are created in organization. In this context, staffing functions play a very important role in organization. Right person at right job with right pay is the basic principle of staffing. We see some definitions of staffing. Following are some of the important definitions of staffing. Which the first definitions according to Theo Hyman. The staffing functions pertains to the recruitment, selection, development, training, and compensations of subordinate managers. Next, second definitions of staffing according to Luther Gulick. Staffing is the whole personnel functions of bringing in and training the staff and maintaining favorable conditions of work. Third definitions of staffing according to S. Benjamin. Staffing is the process involved in identifying, assessing, placing, evaluating, and directing individuals at work. We see the next some importance of staffing. We see the first importance of staffing, effective managerial function. Staffing is the key to effective performance of other functions of management such as planning, organizing, directing, and controlling. Competent workforce can work effectively in different functional areas like production, sales, finance, etc. The outcome of other functions is based on the effectiveness of staffing. Which the next second importance of staffing leads to effective utilizations of human resources. Staffing function lead to effective utilizations of human resources, that is workforce. Proper care is taken at every stage such as recruitment, selection, placement, remunerations, training, development, etc. Excessive burden of work is avoided. Optimum utilizations of human resources result in improvement in performances and progress of organization. Third importance of staffing builds cordial relationship. This function is helpful in building healthy relationship among all level of employees in the organization. A smooth human relations is the key to better communications and coordination of organizational efforts in an organization. Fourth importance of staffing helps human resources development. Skill and experienced employees is an asset of a business organization. Staffing help to inculcate the organizational culture into employees. It trains and develops the existing workforce. It also ensures smooth functioning of all the managerial aspect of the business organization. Fifth, importance of staffing helps in effective use of technology and other resources. Trained employees can use the latest technology, capital, material, and method of work effectively. It helps in building competitive strength of the organizations. It is also helpful in improving standard of work and productivity in terms of quality and quantity. Six, importance of staffing improves efficiency. Training and development programs are offered to the employees for self-development and organizational development. Through proper selection, the organization gets quality employees, and through proper training, the performance levels of the employees can be improved. Seventh, importance of staffing long-term effect. Qualified, efficient, and skillful workforce is always an asset of the organizations. Proper selections of employees leads to organization towards the path of success. Naturally, long-term positive effects can be observed on the efficiency of an organization. Next, 8, importance of staffing essential contribution. Staffing ensures the continuity and growth of the organization through development of employees. Selection is based on the ability of the prospective employees so that organization can meet the future challenges wisely. Therefore, the contributions of the staff in their future role is taken into account in staffing functions. Next, 9, importance of staffing provides job satisfaction. Employees can be motivated through financial and non-financial incentives. Adequate remuneration increases job satisfaction and morale of the employees. Training and development programs, fair remunerations, and job security are the factors which are important in providing job satisfaction. Next, 10th, importance of staffing maintains harmony. In staffing process, individuals are recruited, selected, and placed, as well as their performance is regularly appraised, and promotions are given on the basis of merit. For this, criteria is made and duly communicated to concerned employees. It brings peace and harmony in organization. Thank you very much.